Alright boys, I got another video. We got some long tubes on this beast. I wanted to make this video because nobody else has. I bought some long tubes, eBay long tubes. It only cost me around 120 bucks compared to Texas Speed and stuff like that. They're not as expensive as how much them shits be costing. But for the install, I did this side in like 30 minutes. I actually did it on my lunch break. Wasn't too bad. It actually fit pretty good. And they look pretty good too. They were chrome, but they're kind of turning like a bronze color. I don't know. Hopefully they don't turn to rust later on, but oh well. They're still long tube headers. But they fit perfect. The exhaust, where the exhaust has that factory clamp in the back, it literally just unclip. You unbolt these and you can literally pull it out from underneath. I had a lift, so it was a lot easier. But yeah, literally you slide them up, bolt them in right here, and put the clamp on it and bolt it up, and that's all you have to really do. Really easy. This side, still kind of easy. You just got to take your dipstick out, tube out, and stuff like that. So it wasn't that bad. Made my car sound a hell of a lot better. We'll do some revs for you. Bunch of bald eagles right there, Bolt. Tell you what. But yeah, I just need to get a tune now because my engine light's on because I don't have no cats. Pretty much straight pipe. Yeah, definitely sounds a lot better than them cats, obviously. And for my last video, I did get some new tires. They're not the best tires, but 315s, some wide grooves. They hook a hell of a lot better than 305s I had on there, and they were kind of getting bald. But yeah, I can hit it first at one end, spin. So well, that's just wet out, but that's about it. But that's about it. The headers are great. Next is the intake. Get rid of this big old bulky crap and a tune, and then a cam eventually. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.